Sunday, January 4th, 2025, crossing over Northside Drive, heading north. Crossing over I-75 on Howell Mill, heading north. I think we're going to turn on Collier, go out to Peachtree, then turn left and come down Peachtree Battle. It has been a long time since we've done that video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow along. We're going to be turning down here at this red light. Our mirror mounts are giving us some grief. It's 55 degrees currently, headed to 60, 43 tonight, 62, 49 tomorrow night. We should be able to go. Waited too long, didn't we? Well, he wants to turn, so we can go. We're all right. We'll be passing by history markers. A lot of Civil War activity in here along Peachtree Creek, Northside Drive. Limit 30, we're running just about 30. It's at 28. There's a history marker there. We're going to have to go slow over these speed bumps. We needed to turn in that park, didn't we? There's an old bridge down there. I guess, is this Peachtree Creek we just crossed? I don't know if it is or not. No, I don't think so. It'll be down to our left. I'm not sure what creek that was. We'll be coming up the hill to Peachtree. Is that Piedmont? Delwood Drive. Collier Hills. I think that's at 1949. Another Civil War history marker. We're going to turn left up here. That way we'll be going away from the sun. The sun will be behind us. Atlanta's population now, 6,521,000. That old population sign. I think we rode down here when Atlanta's population turned 1 million. Everybody in town rode down and checked that out. I'll have to ask our girl what year that was. Go ahead and get over in the left lane because we're going to turn left on Peachtree Battle down here once we cross Peachtree Creek. When we cross Peachtree Creek to the right, we'll get there is Old Peachtree Battle Shopping Center. There used to be an A&P in there, and there was also a bookstore. What was the name of that bookstore? I think there was one on Thars Road up there too, that Brown Thars book, or that bookstore. What was the name of that bookstore? I'm sure some of these viewers and YouTube subscribers will know and remember, but I cannot think of it right now. It was a shame it closed. It was a classic. Of course, all the bookstores just about are gone. Okay, we're going to turn left here, Peachtree Battle. There's Peachtree Battle parking, or Peachtree Battle Shopping Center. There used to be an old A&P in there. Okay, we're going to be going right down Peachtree Battle. I don't know whether we're going to turn around and come back. The sun will be in our eyes if we do. We may go north side, and I don't know what we're going to do. We may go into Decatur. It's already 10 till 12. We may work our way on back out 85 and back up to Athens Arcade. We do have a lot to do today. A lot to do all week. Yeah, the Battle of Peachtree Creek, there's a lot of Civil War history, battleground all through here. Through here and go up and down some of these side roads, and we need to put the Insta360 X5 on so we can get a full 360 view. But Peachtree Battle goes to the left here. We're going to go to the right, but I may be wrong. This may be staying on Peachtree Battle. Okay, it is. We're staying on Peachtree Battle. That's Sagamore. Okay, coming up on north side here, I think we're going to maybe take north side up to West Paces. Not real sure what we're going to do, folks. Yeah, of course, we are ITP right now inside the perimeter. Wesley? I tell you what, why don't we go down West Wesley? Well, I know where we'll end up. Let's do that though. Let's go West Wesley. Habersham is a good drive. We could take it all the way out almost to Chastain. I guess we could. I think we'll go straight across East Wesley, end up on Piedmont, and then figure out what to do. We are about 13 and a half minutes into this video. I didn't realize that. We'll probably go, I don't know how long we'll go. Road work ahead. Is that if we go straight, are we going to hit road work? Now this is Peachtree Road, left to take us right into Buckhead. I don't know if they consider this Buckhead yet or not. We're going to go straight across and work our way to Piedmont once we get the green light. We're going to be bothered by road construction. Police are letting people cross from the church parking lots or from the road, across the roads, but that's not an issue. Look at the road sign, but I'm pretty sure it changed to East Wesley once we crossed. And I think this will bring us out to Piedmont. We may have to do a juke jive or dog leg to get to Peachtree. I do not remember. What does that sign say? Garden Hills Park. Well, a nice little roundabout down there. That would have been nice to have checked out. Seems like I remember that now, but I didn't at the time. Alexander Park. City of Atlanta. The South Georgia dirt roads are smoother than Atlanta streets. We may be heading to South Georgia or somewhere next week. We're not sure yet. We will have an announcement to make, and that would coincide perfectly with a road trip. But we're going to hold off until we get everything in place. But I'm pretty excited about it. So y'all be sure to follow up next week and continue watching. I don't know what we've done now. Where are we going to end up? We still own. Street signs are missing. Okay, Alpine. We are still on East Wesley. Okay, here's Piedmont. Okay, the sun will be in our eyes if we go right. We're going to turn these off. This will be a wrap. This is 18, 19 minutes. We're going to go right, and then I don't know where we're going to end up.